10 seconds. We try for 3 hours sometimes. They do it in 10 seconds. Ritesh and Janelia, can I have you on stage as well, please? That's a lovely star cast / friends cast on stage. I love it. Before we move any further to the core, the gentlemen who know how to put it across in 10 seconds. So I'm going to start with you. You saw the trailer. And before I go there, you do it in every day. First of all, big round of applause for their reels every day. I love them. They're fantastic. We should learn everything from them. How do you like the trailer?
Congratulations, Sudeep. Sudeep is a very, very dear friend. And I have known him since his first Hindi film. I have had the privilege of working with him and seeing him work closely. He is someone that I'm extremely fond of, and I have played cricket with him, against him. He's a thorough gentleman and a very, very nice guy, and I'm so happy to see that he's stretching the cinematic boundaries with the choices that he's making as an actor, as a producer, and I'm absolutely thrilled. I couldn't be more happy to just see his success, to see him grow. And thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful teaser. I'm so glad that Salman Bhau is presenting something as fascinating and amazing as this. And Jacqueline, many congratulations. And to the entire team of VR, thank you so much.
Sir, here you took 3 minutes. Normally you take 15 seconds. That's perfect. A little bit different here. But Kicha sir, you know, everyone has met you in the last week, 10 days, a lot. How's the response been? We've been talking about it. This is fantastic. And, you know, hats off to you also. Swag is equal to Kicha Sudeepa. We all know this. But now that you come out, is there any nerves? Thursday, just a few days to go. Now all the hard work is done. Now?
I wasn't till I saw him now. Suddenly that escape is hitting me. So I think I'm overwhelmed, first of all, with all the responses that I'm getting. I think I'll start with the fact that the brother he is to us, many of us. And with SKF coming in, it's like an elephant strength walking into the film. And I guess whenever we try to stretch our boundaries, we all need that little support, one strength, one hand that can hold us and just tell us, don't worry, I'm around. He's done that for me, and thank you, sir, for that. And as for the press is concerned, I think everybody has been very kind with their words, with their questions. And the fact that there is so much of hype and the expectation, I can feel it when I come here with the response I'm getting for the trailer. That is the best part. You know? Otherwise, many times we do cut a trailer, which is good. Many times we do make films, which is good, but then we are not able to reach out. So it has been able to reach out because of the potential it has, and for the SKF coming in with everybody's love towards it. Like I have, as Ritesh and Jen said, that we have wonderful friends here who've been very supportive to me every time I come here. So yeah, it's a great feeling right now.
Congratulations in advance, sir. But like he said, sir, you are the rock that, you know, that supports a lot of people, sir. It happens a lot. How do you, are you keeping, you know, when you sign films, sometimes you'll say, maybe I shouldn't only do it with friends. You know, sometimes later on it might backfire. But as the support goes, you know, you're always there. So what's the secret? Does everyone just come to the house and say, sir, we need some help? And you say, yes, that's it.
Absolutely wrong.
Then how does it work, sir?
Done films only with friends and family.
But it's all worked anyway. It works very well. How did this association happen? You've known him for so long. It's amazing.
He's done Big Boss. I've done Big Boss. He's done... what is that? Kucha. I've done Tere Naam. So we have a very long history, long connect. Like he's played opposite him. I was one of the owners. I mean, Suhar was one of the owners of the team in CCL. That they always beat us.
He's a better cricketer. That's the only thing as of now we can say with certainty.
Very competitive. Our guys were just there to have fun, and that.
We beat him in CCL. He took me in Dabang and beat the hell out of me.
And then we have Dabang as well, and I've seen his work. He's fantastic. So when this came to me, it's just not that I'm going to go and help family and friends. Only if they can help me with an outstanding product, a film, only then will I lend my support or be a part of it. And they think that I'm supporting them wrong. They are supporting me with great films.
It looks fantastic. Sometimes when you make this beautiful make-believe world, it doesn't look real. It doesn't look, the scale. We
I
keep
know
talking
we've
about
been
scale.
seeing a lot of that recently.
This has worked, but in that case. So I would like to talk to you about that. When you saw this first time around, you got that bit, yeah, अच्छा लगा. What's the big verdict on your side? This one's in the right zone. This one's in the right zone. Your first thoughts?
This one is.
Okay, now Jacqueline, of course, every time I see you, it's fantastic. How do you get every single move perfect? Years back, I remember asking you, the toughest move, which one was it for an actress who's coming in here? You do tumkas better than so many of us when we try. We got too much fat around the waist, but I understand that.
It helps though.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, you've just perfected all of it. Sometimes it doesn't seem alien at all to you anymore. So what's the secret?
I actually owe that to the amazing choreographers we have here and also just the dancers that make us train and make us rehearse for hours. And Ritesh has seen me also. Ritesh has actually seen me in my first film where I couldn't even do a walk properly in a song. And
Aladdin.
I was in Aladdin, yeah.
No, I have to see this. Jacqueline and me did Aladdin many years ago, and I have seen her struggle with Indian dance while we were doing the song, and just to see her dance in so many songs and one of the finest dances India has. It's hats off to her hard work, and that's really.
But she's not the only one.
You're a very good dancer too.
Not about me.
Anuj sir, let's talk about the film.
And there's also Katrina who's worked really hard.